Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Notion Desktop and export Workspace pages step by step clearly. To download Notion Desktop, start by visiting the Notion website at www.notion.so. Once on the home page, locate the menu icon usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the menu icon to reveal the options available to you. Look for the download option in the drop-down menu. Select the download option that corresponds to your operating system, either Windows or Mac OS. The installer file will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to open it. Follow the prompts that appear to install the application on your computer. Once the installation is finished, launch the Notion Desktop application. Sign in to your Notion account using your email and password. Now, let's proceed to export your Workspace pages. Open the page you wish to export in the Notion app. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select the Export option. Choose the format in which you want to export the page, such as PDF, HTML, or Markdown. Decide whether you want to include subpages in the export. Once you've made your selections, click on the Export button. The exported file will be downloaded to your computer. Locate the exported file in your Downloads folder. You can now open and view the exported page using compatible software. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.